Well, some wind is kind of the story of the day, in addition to the little snow that's blowing around. But boy, you really wouldn't want to be driving a high-profile vehicle today. Not fun.
I thought the same thing today. I was out walking the dog, and
Yeah.
not fun for humans or
Right.
motorists. But as quick as the snow has come through, it's kind of cleared up visibility, at least for us in downtown Des Moines. We had this shot, a little bit of a different view, but a similar shot here, and we're taking a look at the Capitol, and improved visibility there, and it looks like at least the snow has stopped falling from the sky as quickly as it was in the last 20 minutes or so. Temperatures still hanging out in the mid-30s. We've got a few flakes out there, and again, if you find yourself under one of these quick passing snow showers, visibilities are probably going to drop off fairly quickly, and then it'll come back after the snow exits the area. So that's kind of been the case here for downtown Des Moines. Some lowered visibility back to our north and west into portions of Dallas County. Again, wind chill making it feel like anywhere from the upper teens into the mid 20s into central Iowa here for the 4 o'clock hour. It's been a cold, gray and chilly day out there. This is what it looks like on radar right now. Again, we've got a few snow showers left just to the east of downtown Des Moines into Jasper County, Newton. You've got some snow falling, Monroe, down into portions of Marion County, and then Mahaska County out towards Oskaloosa. A little bit more of probably a rain-snow mix there. We head back to our north and west, up towards Perry, out towards Carroll, places like Ogden, a few snowflakes there as well. So a little bit of snow around again. Probably not going to do much to the roadways, but on some grassy surfaces, you might see some of that snow collecting there if you're under some of these snow showers. In the next 12 hours, things are going to stay windy and cold. Notice our winds staying sustained here to about 20 to maybe 25 miles per hour all the way through midnight tonight. It's a cold night tonight. We drop back down into the upper 20s, and then it's another chilly and windy day here on your Thursday. The rest of tonight, clouds will linger, so we'll end the night with gray skies. By tomorrow morning, we're back to maybe some sunshine the further west you are, a little bit of a brighter start to the day. And then by the afternoon, we'll start to clear things out. So more in the way of sunshine at times tomorrow with a little bit of cloud cover left over. Let's talk about the winds, though. They'll stay elevated throughout tonight into the day tomorrow. It's still going to be a strong northwest wind. Stronger gusts will shift a little bit further to the east, so we're gusting still to about 35 to 40 miles per hour for eastern Iowa, gusts to about 30 to 35 miles per hour across central Iowa here tomorrow afternoon. Winds will stay strong through tomorrow evening, and then finally we'll get a little bit of a break as we head into the day on Friday. Tonight's forecast will drop back into the mid and upper 20s. Some leftover snow showers possible, some flurries in the sky here through the early evening, and then we'll dry things out tonight. Tomorrow, another cold one. Back into the mid and upper 30s with strong winds. 8-day forecast keeps us in the upper 40s through Saturday. 50s return Sunday. Then we'll hang out in the 30s and 40s through next week. Thanksgiving day in our forecast now, at least in our extended forecast. Right now, looking like we could maybe get a little bit of rain or maybe a little bit of snow by middle part of next week. Until then, things are pretty quiet for the time being.